Why do you want to learn to code? Maybe you want to build a game, or maybe a mobile app, or perhaps you want to get into competitive programming. But if, for example, I asked you to learn game development, what would you do? Most people would do the obvious thing and learn C Sharp and or C++ along with Unity or Unreal Engine. Now this might seem like the best way to learn game development, but believe me, it's not. Hello and welcome to Creatively Python, and in this video I'm going to be talking about why directly learning what you set out to learn might actually be a really bad idea. When learning a new programming technology, especially the more complex ones such as C++ or Unreal Engine, you should not do the more obvious thing and just learn them. Instead, I recommend learning something much simpler like Python or Godot and then going on to something like C++ or Unreal Engine. Now, you might think that this will take a lot of time, and you're not wrong, but the thing is that if you follow my route, you will probably learn the technology much better than if you went on directly learning it. The reason for this is that if you tried learning something really complex, you would not learn it very well because it's much higher than your skill level. But if you instead slowly increase your skill level by learning something much simpler first, it'll be much easier for you to learn the more complex thing later. Of course, there's also the benefit that you might find something else that you're more interested in than what you originally thought. If you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing because you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.